12 Days of Hintmas with me, Sharon Keegan. On this 12th day of Hintmas, GP gave to me a couple of changes for our administrators. I think we started with them on our first day of Hintmas, and let's finish with them. And again, they are small things, as all of these are. There are larger things to see in the new version of GP, but these little 2-minute videos are to show you some of the smaller things that you may miss out when you're getting a demo and so on. So when I go and have a look now at, say, a list of companies, I only have 2, so it's not as meaningful. But when you go in and have a look at your companies, you can now find by company name, or you can sort by the company name rather than the or the ID, should I say. Normally, in your older versions, these are sorted in the order that they were created, which means that you add a new company and it's not in alphabetical order, it should be down the bottom. But if you need to go back in a month or 2 later, you got to remember that it's down the bottom, and it doesn't look very sensible, I suppose, because it's not in alphabetical order. So you can now sort it if you've got multiple companies, and I do have one customer with 80, would you believe? So it's very handy for people like that. You can also exclude inactive users in your lookup. So in any window where you have users, you can exclude inactive ones. I actually don't have an inactive one, but if I untick this, it means I don't want to see inactive ones. So if I'm going in to give access of creating a new company, I want to give access to my users, I don't want to see inactive users in there because they don't need access to my new company. Okay, so that's a couple of changes on the way things look for our system administrators. Thanks very much for joining us for these last 12 days. Hope you have enjoyed the tips or found something useful in them. And happy Christmas from me and from all at m-hance. Thanks again for joining us. Bye-bye.